Welcome to the NectarKast Device tutorial. And if you've just received your device in the mail, we're happy to have you as part of our community. And this tutorial will go through everything that you need to know in order to operate your device successfully. The first step is to make sure that your device is actually on. So in order to do that, on the side of the device, you'll see an on and off button. When you click the on button, you will see on the front face of the device a solid blue light that will stay solid for 2 to 3 seconds. And that means that the device is on. When you press the button again, turning it off, you will see a 3 to 4 second flash. That means that the device is off. So again, one solid light, 2 to 3 seconds is on, and blinking lights mean that the device is off. So the solid light that's 2 to 3 seconds is on. So just turn on your device, and we're going to show you how to test to see if your device is on. So the first step that you're going to do is you're going to go to the portal, your NectarKast portal, and you're going to log in to your system with your username and password, and you are going to go to the edit button here, and we are going to say we're going to change it to save the dolphins. Save the dolphins. We're going to add a little exclamation point here, and we're going to press save. So what's going to happen now is we're going to go back to our home screen, and we are going to enable the Google Nearby. So you want to click on your settings, and you want to go to Google, and you want to click on Nearby. And see where it says save the whales? That was the old message. We're going to swipe down here and refresh, and it's going to say save the dolphins. On the top right of the screen here, you see 3 vertical dots. We're going to click that, and we're going to add to the home screen. And now we have a shortcut on the home screen that's right here. It says Nearby. It's important to note, and there's some confusion about this, Nearby is not an application. It's part of the operating system, and we have a little shortcut here to the Nearby, and we're putting it on our home screen. Some people think that they ask us, do you have to have Google Nearby in order for someone to see a message on their notification bar? So as you can see here where it says save the dolphins, you'll see the notification is here with my Facebook Messenger and my text messages and all of these other, the weather. That's a good example, the weather. The messages are delivered to the phones around the device within 326 feet. And that's 100 yards of the device, wherever the devices are placed. And of course, many of our customers have multiple devices, and they set them in all different locations so that they can broadcast their messages. So as you can see here, it says save the dolphins. And that is the message. And if you were to click on that, you would be able to send your users that you're advertising to that end URL. It's important to note that the URL must be HTTPS. The S stands for secure, meaning that we're only sending the users to secure websites. If your website is not HTTPS, you can call your service provider like GoDaddy or Bluehost, and there's some simple things that they can do that will make your website secure. So now what we're going to do is we are going to go change the device message again. So we're going to log into the portal. We're going to go back to our portal, and we are going to write a new message. So let's go ahead and change that. And let's change it to buy one, get one free. So we've changed the message here, and we press save, and the message is going to save in the system. I'll just take a second here, and when you see the total, this means that the new message has been set. So what we do is we go click on our home screen, the middle button here on our Android device, and we go to the nearby, and we select it again, and we're buy one, get one free. It's that fast. That's amazing. And there's the new message. And in order to, some people like to say, well, where is it on the home screen? Where is it? I don't see it. I don't see it. Well, I can show you how that you can trigger this on the home screen to show up on your notification bar, rather. So what you do is on the bottom right-hand side, the little return button, you go back, 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 back. I do it 3 to 4 times, and I come back, and then there it is, buy one, get one free. That triggers the notification, and you can see it on the notification bar. It's important to note that as soon as you're able to see the your message inside of Google Nearby, you can feel confident that your device is broadcasting your message that you've set with your URL, and the user just has to have their location and their Bluetooth services on. So if they're in range of your device and they have their Bluetooth and their location on, they will be seeing the message that you have set inside of the portal. So let's just do this one more time for good measure. We're going to go back to the NectarKast website, and we are going to change it. And let's say you're a married man and you want to get some brownie points. We are going to say, I love my wife, and we're going to save that. And we'll get back to the portal. And we are going to click on Nearby. And there's our old message. And here we go. Swipe down. I love my wife. Now, if you press the back button on the bottom right-hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and we come back here, there is the message right there on the notification bar, and you know that you're broadcasting your message to all those people with Android devices with their Bluetooth and location services on in the proximity of your device. So, if you have any other questions that you need help with, simply go to our homepage and scroll all the way to the bottom. And you can press on the support button. And we have a ticket system here that's very modern, similar to large companies that have we issue you a ticket number 308209, and we go through each individual ticket and respond to each and every request that we get from our customers. You'll also see a step guide, and you also, if you like, you can schedule a personal call with us if you'd like to discuss enterprise use or any other questions that you might have. We'd be willing to help you. Additionally, there's some other, we have a video where you can learn how to add the Google shortcut to your mobile phone, but we've gone through that in the very beginning of this video. And again, we'll show you how to add that Google shortcut to your home screen. And what you do is you go to Settings, you go to Google, you scroll down to Nearby, and you click on the 3 buttons at the top right, and you add to the home screen, and there it is. So that is the overview of our product. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and we'll be happy to assist you. And thank you so much again for watching our video, and have a wonderful day.